The story of James overcoming challenges. James grew up in a small town with very few opportunities. When he was 15, he started working part-time at mechanic shop to help his family. He moved to the city when he was 18, looking for a better future. By the time he got his first job as a full-time mechanic, he had already completed a technical course in automobile repair. This gave him a strong advantage over others. Over the years, James has built a successful auto repair business. He has won several awards for his excellent customer service and innovates repair techniques. If he keeps working hard, he will achieve his dream of opening a second branch. If he had started in his hometown, he would not have had that opportunity because he believed in himself. He never had a home where the journey was not easy. He faced main failures and finance problems. Therefore, his success today is even more meaningful.